So here's an update. I was trying to get this blade off, and I thought that these might have been just those through pins, but they end up having Allens on here, like the front blade. So I couldn't take them and just drop them out through there. I had to take that big chute off here. This big chute here. But these two bolts was hanging up on me. I thought that it was something else, but see, these are all elongated, so they'll lift off there. So take all three of your bolts out. And then these back here, 10 millimeter. There's no nut on the back. I took my oil plug off thinking that was gonna clear it enough, and it was tight in there, but it ended up, excuse me, this being this bar right here that was holding me up. So you drop these three bolts, it's elongated holes, you undo these, boom, comes right off. So try it without taking that off. See, a little bit of oil ran out on me, but it'll soak into the driveway. But now, I'm gonna take these off of here, get my little blades off and sharpen them. I might even start it like this. I mean, don't try this at home, but I might start it and see if I still got any vibration with all that off. But it'd probably be hard to tell with these clanging around. But yeah, that's how you get your blades off, these two here. And then there was two bolts here with Allen heads here. And then that center bolt was a 5/8, or no, I'm sorry, 9/16. Well, it's probably metric, probably 15, 14 millimeter, but where'd it go? Yeah. These here in the front of this. And that was a 3/16 Allen head. I actually tried my metric set in there and it wouldn't work. Or I didn't have the right size. But I'm gonna go ahead and sharpen these up and put it back together. So wish me luck.